A new law is giving more protections to victims of domestic violence. As Bodie Brooks explains, a new program is making it easier to shield victims from their abusers. Bodie?
Yeah, Andrea, it's called the Safe at Home Act. It's a program run through the Secretary of State's office that, by filling out a simple application, will shield public information like an address that could be found by an abuser.
We have folks that reach out to Greenhouse 17 often that might be starting over, and so having their address be confidential can be really critical.
Escaping abuse in the home is not easy. The Justice and Public Safety Cabinet reports in 2023 more than 45% of women and 35% of men experience intimate partner violence or rape in Kentucky. Greenhouse 17 is one sanctuary of safety for these survivors. Associate Director Diane Fleet explains until now, the only way to get that anonymous protection was through the court.
I am a huge proponent of court protective orders and criminal justice sanctions, but I've also learned through that process that many people are uncomfortable with that.
Fleet says every situation is different, and going to court may not be a step a victim is ready to make, or could make a situation worse. She says often at the point a partner is trying to stand up for themselves and draw a line, that increases the risk of harm.
We really trust that people are experts on their own lives, and so we often know that if they say going to court, notifying the police, doing these things will put me in greater jeopardy, then we need to listen to that.
Fleet says an emergency protective order will also notify an abuser of the county the order was made from, increasing the risk. If someone needs true anonymity across all their public records, now there's the Safe at Home program. To Enroll is a 2-page application that's a legal sworn statement explaining the need to conceal an address. The Secretary of State's office address would replace what's on public records, and all mail is forwarded through them. Fleet says organizations like hers are there to help with the process.
I think the hardest part is getting the notary, and I don't think that's a difficult piece, but I think that is the slowdown process. So please encourage folks to work with their community partners such as Greenhouse 17 if they're needing a little hand holding.
And there is no cost to the program. It gives protections for 4 years before you have to renew. It also works across state lines with other states that have similar programs. You can find the application on the Secretary of State's website. I have a link included in this story on fox56news.com.